for example, example number 1, we are going to consider a perfectly drawn circle, like so, where this is the center of the circle, and this right here is the radius. So we know that to find the area of a circle equals, the formula for that is pi r squared. Okay? So where r is the radius of the circle. So consider this circle here. Example number 1 says A, the area when the radius is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Now to solve that, we just plug it into the formula. The area is equal to pi times 2.5 squared. Now 2.5 squared is actually 6.25 times pi. So this is just 6.25. In other words, 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. Now this is what we would call an exact value, but in the textbook it asks us to approximate or round to the nearest hundredth, so it would be 19.63 centimeters squared. Okay? And I get that from approximating that pi is approximately 3.14. Okay? Now for part B of example number 1, they actually give us the area is equal to 113.1 centimeters squared, and they want to know what's the diameter. Okay, so the diameter is 2 times the radius. That's important because what we're going to do is we're going to use the same formula. Alright? And then we're going to plug in 113.1 for this stuff here, the total area. And pi is 3.14 r squared. Now the next step would be is to divide both sides by pi. When I do that, and I'm going to get 113.1 divided by pi is equal to r squared. Now for this, I'm going to use the calculator on this one because the answer, well, hold on, let me just use the calculator so you guys can see it. So if I say 113.1 divided by pi, I get like pretty darn close to 36, right? So if I were to round that, I would get actually 36. So I would say 36 is r squared. Then I could take the square root of both sides, and I get 6 as approximately the radius of the circle. But they wanted to know what the diameter is. So the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, which is 6. Okay? So then that is equal to 12. And that's it.